Hello and welcome to another explanation video. Today we look again at the model of the printer Canon Pixma TS705 and 705A because I came across an interesting matter, and that is when you want to get with the printer to a friend of yours or to a relative, to your boss, to your biggest enemy, whoever calls you to want a printer, and you want to help them out, giving you your printer that they can print something. So for that we have the printer here that we are using. That is the Pixma, Canon Pixma TS705A in this case. At the moment this one is not available. That means I switch it on. You see, just switching it one time doesn't work, so we have to take a longer step to it. The Canon Pixma boots up very fast and then we're ready to use. So, but where you have to be careful is when you do something on the printer, or the printer is doing something itself, or when you switch out and the printer does something, like here I, for example, opening the slot. So then it brings the cartridges in the right position, and then I close it and say everything's alright, everything is filled up. I can now go to the person who needs it, make it closed, and put out, basically the power. The power is now off. Then I take my printer, take it to the next person that wants the printer to be working. So then I connect it to the power again, like that. So then I will switch on the printer again. You see, with the longer press it works out. And now let's see what the printer does. As you can see, we get an error code, the support code 1259, and it tells me that it has now a problem. The problem is that the cartridges are not finished in the right position, and that is something he doesn't like. So what you need to do is basically to put out something. So the first guess I had is because he says something about the papers and where they are included. So I haven't not read that carefully. So because he says something about the output, but what I did, because I'm an idiot, I put out the input of that one and said, okay, with that one it should be working, clicked on OK. Then he's processing and sees, idiot, on work. So he refuses to do that, because what you have to do basically here is to put out the output area of the printer. That means you just push it out, then you click on OK, and then you hear something has to be done by the printer now, and that can take a moment because he's now readjusting everything in the system. That means you can now get the Snickers because that takes a while. When it takes longer, or you get a Big Mac, or you can also get something vegan, I don't care. You can also drink Coke or Pepsi or No Name or whatever you like. You can also go in the garden and make a barbecue, because from that point on it can just take hours that it's loaded. I will not speed up this video. You have to bear with me till it's done. I'm sorry. To be honest, I'm not sorry, because you're having this pain upon you. I don't care. And after a while, he says, everything is alright. I just click on OK. I can now switch some settings. I don't care either. Say OK. Then the printer is back to the status and can be used now again. So when you ever come across the 1259 error code, this is how you fix it. I hope it helps you a little bit more. Thank you for listening that long. See you in the next video.